In today's video, we are still going to talk about CAPSTONE and the research and development part of CAPSTONE. Remember, the research and development part is also called the R&D. And before that, if you need help in CAPSIM or any other related simulation, text us on the email on the description or in the WhatsApp number, and we shall sort you with no time. So, R&D is simply the simplest part in CAPSIM according to me. So here we're going to talk about 2 or 3 things, whereby we're going first to talk about the products. Under the products, you should know which team you are in. Maybe if you are in Andrews, your products will be like Able, Eka. So at the moment, our team is Baldwin. So our products will be Becker, we have Bid, we have Bold, we have Buddy. And remember that each product comes from a very, very different segment. So you shall have to make the decisions under the performance, the size, and lastly the MTBF. The MTBF is simply the mean time before failure, and it's also called the reliability. Here, you'll see something called the revision date, and you'll see something called the age at revision, and you'll see something called the material cost changing. When you make the decisions under the performance, size, and the MTBF, you shall see changes in these 3 things. And that appears for all our products. All our products will have a very different revision date, a very different age, and a very different material cost. That's it about the products. Next, we have the R&D costs. Remember, if you make any decisions, each and every product will have its own costs. Maybe the cost is called the R&D costs. Like if you make decisions, you shall have a particular revision date and maybe a particular age at revision and maybe a material cost per unit of maybe some product. So all the R&D costs are called, all the costs that you normally incur in making research and development decisions are called the R&D costs. Next, we have something called the customer buying criteria, which is also called the CBC. And here we are going to talk about what customers need in the market regarding a particular product. So, for example, in the traditional segment, remember that each product comes from a very, very different segment. So for the traditional segment, you shall see maybe customers need a particular age of 2 years. They're also called expectations, simply what customers expect on a particular product. They also need an ideal position of performance of around 5.7 and size of around 14.3, reliability of in between 14,000 to 19,000 MTBF. So you shall draft decisions, feed them on the R&D part, on the performance part, the size part, and the MTBF part, so that we can generate the revision date and the age and the material cost per unit. On the right hand side, we have something called the perceptual map, and this simply shows us the positioning of our product following or based on the size and the performance. If you make changes on the size, you shall see changes on the perceptual map on how the product is located. If you make changes on the performance side, you'll also see changes on the perceptual map, and you'll see the location of your product. Next, we have the age profile, and under the age profile, this simply divides your age into 2 whenever you make any decisions in a particular round. Last, we have the material cost, and now here we have the old material cost compared to the new cost of a product. So whenever you make the changes in any of the products, you see this change in the material cost. Like for Becker, it was the old one was 10.99. The old one was 10.99. The newer one is whenever you make the decisions, you can see it's now 11. The new material cost is 10.99. The old one is 11.59. For this one, you can see the old one is 7.81, which is in black, and the new one is 7.35. So whenever you make the decisions in the simulation, in the R&D part, there will be changes occurring in all these graphs. Thank you for watching my video. If you need help in CAPSTONE, CAPSIM, or any related simulation, please text me on the email on the description or on the WhatsApp number, and I'll sort you out with no time. Don't forget to share with your friends, subscribe, and like. Thank you.